In the yesterday class, we have discussed about the magnetic field and magnetic field line and the properties of the magnetic field line and the bar magnet as an solenoid or equivalent to solenoid Gauss theorem in magnetism. Now I will go to the next one. Earth's magnetic field or terrestrial magnetism. The terrestrial magnetism or Earth's magnetic field is a branch of physics which deals about the magnetic field of the Earth, or to study about the Earth's magnetic field. That is called as the Earth's magnetic field or terrestrial magnetism. The study about the Earth's magnetic field, that is also called as the terrestrial magnetism. Okay, you know the Earth is in the shape of solid sphere. Is in the shape of any solid sphere. So this line is the north. This is the south. This is the east and the west, according to your map. So here also, that is a line. One straight line is passing through the geographic north and geographic south. That is called as the geographic axis. That is called as the geographic axis. One straight line is passing through the geographic north and geographic south. That is called as the geographic axis. And one straight line is passing through the north pole of the north pole of the magnet and the south pole of the magnet. So north pole and the south pole of the magnet, that is called as the magnetic axis. That is called one straight line is passing through the, you say like that is the south pole of the magnet and north pole of the magnet. Oh, okay, that is called as the magnetic axis. And say that this is the magnetic axis. And now magnetic meridian, one vertical plane passing through the magnetic north and magnetic south. That is called as the magnetic meridian. And the geographic meridian, one vertical plane is passing through the geographic north and geographic south. One vertical plane passing through the geographic north and the geographic south. That is called as the geographic meridian. Geographic meridian. That is the meridian. Okay. That is it. Then these are the, say this is the magnetic equator and this is the what is the geographic equator. Now say that this is the magnetic pole and this is the geographic pole. And that is the always, that is the always, say this is the making some angle, making the some angle, or in other words does not coincide your, that is the magnetic north and geographic north does not coincide, that is any time, that is the tilted some angle, that tilted angle is, this angle is 11 point, that is the 3 degree, and this angle is 79.74 degree. For the longitudinal, that is this angle is tilted at 71.8 degree, 71.8 degree for the ordinary west, for the ordinary west. Clear? So like that, the next one is the what is the magnetic elements. The magnetic elements are, that is the quantities, physical, that is quantities, that quantities describe the, that quantities describes the magnitude and the direction of the magnetic field of the earth. That is called as the magnetic elements. The magnetic elements. Okay? In the magnetic elements. Clear? So the question is comes like that. What are the magnetic elements? What are the magnetic elements? So the magnetic elements are the quantities which can be described, which can describe the magnitude and direction of the magnetic field of the earth. So such quantities are called as the magnetic elements. Okay. The next one, that is your declination, inclination, and the horizontal component of the Earth's magnetic field. These elements are also called as the magnetic elements. These are also called as the magnetic, that is the elements. Clear? So in the annual examination question paper, such question comes in the 3 marks. But question is what are the magnetic elements? प्रश्न ಏನಿತ್ತು, what are the magnetic elements? Question ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆಗ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅವನ ಮೈಂಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಅವನ ತಲೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈಂಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಕ್ಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅವನ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಗ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮಂತರ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಮೈಂಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ದ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ that is which can be describe the total magnitude and direction of the magnetic field of the earth anta bari. Such quantities are called as the magnetic elements. So that are the correct, because of the question is like that. ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಆಗ್ತದ ಹೌದಾ ಇದನ್ನು ಮೂರು ಬರೋದು ಇದು ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಬರೀತಾರೆ ಡಿಕ್ಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲಿನೇಷನ್ horizontal components of the earth's magnetic field. These are the what is the magnetic elements that are also correct. So that is it. Finally ಏನಾಯಿತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೆದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಲಿ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಬರೀಲಿ ಇದರ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಅದೇ ಬರಲಿ ಇವನದೇ ಬರೀಲಿ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಸ್, ಇದು ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಆಗ ಅವನ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎದ್ದಿರ್ತದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ, ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ or what are the declination, inclination, horizontal components of Earth's magnetic field ಅಂತ question ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು ಇರಲಿ. So that is the magnetic elements, that is the these are the quantities which can describe the that is the magnitude and direction of the Earth's magnetic field. Clear? The first one, that is the declination. The declination, angle between the magnetic meridian and geographic meridian. Angle between the magnetic meridian and the geographic meridian is called as the declination. Angle between the geographic meridian and the magnetic meridian. So this angle is called as the declination. That is called as the declination. So that is it. The declination is greater at higher latitude and the smaller that is the near to the equator. That is it. The smaller have the on near to the equator. Okay, this that is a declination is that is a smaller in India at the what is the 0 degree 41 minutes at Delhi. At Delhi, that is the delta declination, delta ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀನಿ. That is the 0 degree. That is the 41 minute. 41 minute at Delhi. At Delhi. And that is the at that is the Mumbai. That is the at Mumbai 0 degree 58 minutes. At Mumbai at that is the Mumbai. So delta is 0 degree 41 minutes at Delhi. Delta is 0 degree 58 minutes at Mumbai. At that is the Mumbai. This is the very so that is the smaller. Therefore, due to this reason, that is the magnetic needle, that is the magnetic needle shows the true north at Delhi and at Mumbai. At Mumbai. So this is the accurate. This is true north. Okay, true north at Mumbai and at Delhi. Because of your declination is smaller at Delhi at that is the Mumbai. 0 degree 41 here 41 minutes at Delhi, 0 degree 58 minutes at that is the movement. So that is the that the magnetic needle flows due north at Mumbai and at Delhi. Okay. The next one, this is the declination. Angle between geographic meridian and magnetic meridian. So this angle is that is the declination. I think inclination or that is the dip. Inclination or that is the dip. The angle between the total Earth's magnetic field, angle between the total Earth's magnetic field and horizontal line is drawn to the magnetic meridian. To the magnetic, that is the meridian. That is called as your that is the inclination. So that is the inclination. See this is the like that. The total Earth's magnetic field and the horizontal line is drawn to the magnetic meridian. Magnetic, that is the meridian. Horizontal magnetic meridian. Magnetic meridian. Horizontal line is drawn to the magnetic meridian, and this is the total Earth's magnet. Total Earth's of the magnet. So this angle is that is the inclination or dip. Inclination or that is the dip. And this inclination or dip, that is the minimum at equator. Say that is the delta T. Delta T is that is 0 and equator or minimum at equator. And at maximum at O. Maximum at O. At the beginning O. Okay? This is inclination. Angle between the total Earth's magnetic field and horizontal line is drawn to the magnetic meridian. Horizontal line is drawn to the magnetic meridian. Horizontal line is drawn to the magnetic meridian. Okay? So minimum at equator, maximum at O. Maximum at O. Now that horizontal components of the Earth's magnetic field, the horizontal components of the Earth's magnetic field. Suppose, say this is the your Earth's magnetic field. Earth's magnetic field. That is the Earth's magnetic field or magnetic field is also a vector quantity because of it has the magnitude and direction. Therefore, that magnetic field is resolved into two components. One that is one along the horizontal and another one is the vertical. Another one is the river that is the vertical. Clear? So that is the horizontal component. Horizontal components of the Earth's magnetic field. This is the vertical components of the Earth's magnetic field. Earth, that is the magnetic field. Clear? So that is this angle. This angle is that is theta. This angle is that is theta. Okay? This angle is that is theta. Clear? Now, that is the opposite side divided by, that is opposite side divided by adjacent side. Because of tan theta is equal to what? Sin theta divided by cos theta. So here also that is opposite side divided by adjacent, that is the side. Horizontal components of the Earth's magnetic field. V cos. Vertical components of the Earth's magnetic field. So that is V sine. So that is vertical component of the Earth's magnetic field. See this is the one tan theta. Tan theta is equal to, that is tan theta is equal to the vertical components. The vertical components of the what is V divided by, that is VE divided by, that is XE. So this is the what is given, that is this is, that is given Earth's horizontal components of Earth's magnetic field. Horizontal components of Earth's magnetic field. Clear? So that is your Earth's the component of the components of the Earth's magnetic field along the horizontal direction in the, that is the magnetic field in the water is the magnetic field in the Earth, that is the magnetic field is called the horizontal components of the Earth's magnetic field. That is denoted by, that is the light. That is denoted by, that is the light. Declination, inclination, and the horizontal components of Earth's magnetic field. Magnetic meridian, geographic meridian, magnetic axis, and the geographic axis, and the geomagnetic equator, and the magnetic equator, geographic, and the equator. Okay, this is about the Earth's magnetic field. And so many times that asked the 2 marks question and 3 marks question. What is the declination, what is inclination, and what is the horizontal components of Earth's magnetic field? What is the magnetic meridian? What is the geographic meridian? Like that, such question that may be asked in 2 marks question and in the 3 marks question. Okay. Now that is we go to the some important, that is definitions or terms comes in the what in this, that is the chapter. In this, that is the chapter that are continuing in the what in the next class.